It's highly essential to recover and fuel our bodies with the right nutrients after intense workouts. While we meet most of our dietary needs through the proper nutrition, having a supplement with branched chain amino acids or BCAAs can bring about more outstanding results. These are essential nutrients that support muscle metabolism and are vital for building muscle tissue. However, due to the massive amount of BCAA products being sold today, finding the best and most effective one can be a challenge. Well, now it's time to stop wasting your money and resources evaluating every product. We've done it for you. In this video, we'll give you the 5 best BCAAs on the market that you want to consider trying. So let's get started. At number 1 is the Optimum Nutrition BCAA 1000 capsules. This highly recommended product comes from one of the biggest brands in the supplement industry. BCAA 1000 provides active adults with versatile support for training, endurance, and recovery. It's important to be mindful of the ingredients in any supplement to guarantee their efficacy or benefits. The product delivers a 1,000 milligram blend of 3 essential BCAAs in a proven 2:1:1 ratio of Leucine, Isoleucine, and Valine. These 3 serve multiple roles in muscle tissue. The BCAA 1000 from Optimum Nutrition is a great supplement that gives your metabolism and your system a kickstart. During exercise, your muscles tend to break down. If you're serious about reaching your goals, then this is an excellent complex of amino acids right for you. First off, you'll notice a huge difference in your energy levels, leading into enhanced performance at the gym. You'll also feel more focused, motivated, and determined during your workouts. You'll find that your working muscles will take longer to fatigue, allowing you to squeeze out more important reps in each set. More importantly, you'll become better prepared than ever for your next session. This product also is a dietary supplement you can take for extra nutrients in your diet, all of which are excellent reasons to give the BCAA 1000 a try. Moreover, these capsules are highly convenient and easy to take. You don't have to worry about going on a trip, as this supplement is easy to travel with. The high-quality BCAA 1000 also comes in at a reasonable price. At number 2 is the California Gold Nutrition BCAA powder. This product is sourced exclusively from Ajinomoto and features Igipure amino acids produced via their patented Fermentipure technology. If you're looking for a BCAA supplement with a strict manufacturing standard regarding quality and purity, then you've just found it. This BCAA supplement is recognized for its highly beneficial and healthy components to provide you with only the best results. This is pharmaceutical grade and contains no animal products such as hair or feathers, and is suitable for vegetarians and vegans. This product also contains no artificial ingredients, including sweeteners, flavors, or colors. It's also formulated to contain no gluten, GMOs, or soy. The BCAA powder from California Gold Nutrition contains a balance of BCAAs which help bring muscle growth, ease muscle soreness, reduce recovery time after training, and enhance stamina and endurance, enabling you to work out harder and longer. With these supplements, you're sure to boost your energy levels and do essential activities every single day. This is most likely because the amino acids in its pure form go straight to the muscles, which is felt immediately. Furthermore, this powerful product is definitely one you can safely call ideal. It's produced in a third-party audited CGMP certified facility. The BCAA powder also makes it easy to take the supplement without causing any consequences in rashes or allergies. Furthermore, this can also be added to electrolyte or hydration beverages, protein shakes, MRPs, weight gainers, or smoothies. Before we continue, we'd like to know your thoughts on our first 2 supplements. Let us know by leaving a comment below. We're happy to read your reviews and do our best to answer your questions. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more review videos and click on the notification icon so that you can be notified when we upload our newest reviews. And now back to our list. At number 3 is Extend, the original 7G BCAA. Powered by 7 grams of BCAAs, which have been clinically shown to support muscle recovery and growth, this product also contains hydrating electrolytes and extra performance ingredients to help you refuel, repair, and recover. The supplement will surely help you achieve your fitness goals in no time without waking up from training feeling like you've just been hit by a heavy truck 3 or 4 times. This is without a doubt the world's #1 BCAA brand for a number of reasons. In addition to the 3 essential amino acids, this product contains more vital content for highly active individuals. These are all done for one reason: to provide you with the highest quality. Furthermore, the Extend BCAA supplement is both NSF, content tested and certified, and Informed Choice certified, symbolizing strict product development, testing, and quality standards. It's safe for athletes and free of banned substances prohibited in sports. It can also be consumed as a dietary supplement. Moreover, this best-selling product is more than just a BCAA supplement. One of its huge strengths is probably that it's sugar-free and has mouth-watering flavors. The flavors include Mango Madness, Blue Raspberry Ice, Glacial Grape, Freedom Ice, Watermelon Explosion, Italian Blood Orange, Lemon Lime Squeeze, Knockout Fruit Punch, Strawberry Kiwi Splash, Smash Apple, and Pink Lemonade. The product easily dissolves in water. Another important thing to note is that it has no calories, carbs, or sugar in every delicious serving. At number 4 is the Gyro Formulas BCAA Complex Capsules. This supplement contains essential glutamine and is preferred fuel source for intestinal cells. It's high demand by skeletal muscles following physical exertion. In addition to many excellent contents of the product, it also contains vitamin B6, which is essential for amino acid metabolism. It's common to experience fatigue and exhaustion from exercise or training, and it depends on several factors, including the intensity and duration of your workouts, environmental conditions, and nutrition levels. If you're feeling unmotivated to go to the gym or to continue your workout, the BCAA complex from Gyro Formulas is a magnificent combination of BCAAs that'll help bring you strength and endurance during bodybuilding sessions. You'll also enjoy spending the day in the gym even more because these capsules are great for supporting muscle growth during post-workout recovery. Furthermore, these BCAA complex capsules are suitable for vegetarians and vegans. They're also CGMP certified products free of wheat, gluten, soy, dairy, fish, eggs, peanuts, or tree nuts. The dietary supplement is great for adding nutrients to your diet. In addition, this top-rated product from Gyro Formulas has an acceptable combination of price, dosage, and portion. For gym goers and athletes who want capsules than powders, this will surely be your go-to supplement. If you're excited to see the last product on our list, we're about to get right to it. But before that, if you have any products in mind you want us to review next, leave it down in the comments section and our team will get to work to give you the best review possible. And now let's check out our final item. At number 5 is the MusclePharm Essentials BCAA. This high-quality supplement is specifically balanced to deliver unique amounts of the 3 amino acids during all phases of muscle development and maintenance. The clinically studied ratio provides 6 grams of BCAAs per serving. Through this outstanding formula, the amino acids are released both before and after an intense workout. These MP-BCAAs work in reducing muscle damage while supporting increased lean body mass as well. You'll also give your body what it's been looking for as this product focuses on improving a workout. The amounts of the 3 amino acids are perfect in helping induce muscle growth, creating the glucose your body burns for energy, and encouraging protein synthesis and muscle tissue growth while providing energy from glucose creation. Moreover, the BCAA is made in the facility that's certified by Good Manufacturing Practice, or GMP. It's also an Informed Choice certified, which means it's undergone extensive testing to ensure quality and safety. This product is also free from banned substances prohibited in sports. This highly effective product ensures your body gets the nutrients it needs. It works positively with no side effects and burdens on the digestive tract. It has a great, refreshing flavor choice, including watermelon, fruit punch, and blue raspberry that you can enjoy as part of a healthy diet and exercise program. This BCAA powder mixes easily with water and can be consumed before, during, or after training. Well, that concludes our list of the 5 best BCAA products out on the market. We hope our list was helpful for you to decide which one to take for your training and to get your physique to the next level. If you want to buy one of these chosen supplements, just check out the link of the product of your choice to get it at a great deal delivered right to your doorstep. If you have any future products you'd like to see us review, leave them in the comment box and we'll give it our utmost attention to grant your request. Don't forget to tap the bell icon to be notified of our upcoming reviews and join our community by clicking the subscribe button. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time right here at the ReviewTube channel.